Welcome to SMS9, your complete chatbot marketing tool. In this video, we will see how to send automatic WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets. Navigate to Settings menu and then select Google Sheet. From here, connect your Google account by clicking on Sign In with Google button. You may ignore this screen. This might not come in the future. Bypass this by clicking on Advanced and then click Go to SMS9.in. Click on Select All to grant requested access. This will only grant limited access to our system for only those files either created or connected with our platform. Now, you can see the account is connected and the account details are displayed above. From this screen, you can either create a new Google Sheet or connect an existing Google Sheet. Let's try creating a new one. Enter the sheet name and click on Add Header to create the headings row. You can add multiple column headers. Click on Save to create the Google Sheet. As you can see, the new sheet has appeared in the below list. Let's open and check our sheet. Let's try connecting an existing Google Sheet now. You will need to enter the sheet ID here. To get the sheet ID, open your existing Google Sheet on your browser and then copy the sheet ID from the URL. Paste the sheet ID and click on the Save button. This sheet has now been successfully added to this panel. Let's open and check the sheet once. Now, it's time to see how to send WhatsApp messages when we make changes in our Google Sheet. Navigate to Webhook Workflow from the left menu. Here, you will need to create a new workflow from the below section. Just enter the workflow name, select the WhatsApp account from which message should be sent, and then select the template message which you want to send. You can select any type of template message with or without variable values, and click on Create Workflow, and a webhook callback URL will be generated below. Click on the Google Sheet Trigger Instruction button on the right side. Copy full code mentioned here. You can also click on the Copy button on the right end. Let's open the sheet in which you want to add this automation. Open the Extensions menu and click on App Script. Remove all existing code here and paste the copied code. Once done, click on the Save Project button. Click on the clock icon from the left menu to open triggers. Click on the Add Trigger button on the bottom right end. Change the Select Event Type to On Change. Select the correct Google account on the pop-up window. Bypass this screen if it appears. Click on Allow to grant the access. Let's test our trigger now. For that, click on Capture Webhook Response and make some entry in your Google Sheet. Make sure to enter the mobile number with country code. Come back to the workflow page and wait till the Google Sheet data is received. It may take a minute. Once the data is received, more options will be visible below. You can view the received data from the raw data section. Just click on Load Data to expand the data view. Let's configure the settings to send the WhatsApp message. In the Mapping section, click on the phone number field drop-down and select the phone number field from the Google Sheet. Next field is the template message variable, which is required to be defined with a value. Let's select the name field from the Google Sheet data. You can define the message delay here if you want. Let's take a look at the conditions section. We can define conditions here, which should be fulfilled to send this message. We can either select any one condition to be fulfilled or restrict all of them to be fulfilled to send the message. Let's select the status column from our Google Sheet and check if its value is set as approved. If it is set to approved, only then this message will be sent. We can define a few things if this message is sent, such as assign this chat to a group or a specific user, assign new label to this chat, start a new sequence messages chain for this chat, and change the subscriber name if you want. Let's save the workflow. You can see our newly created workflow in the listing. Its status is active and verified is true as well. Let's make a new entry in our Google Sheet and see if our workflow is working properly. Refresh the page to refresh the workflow data. As you can see in workflow reporting, its skipped count has been increased. It was skipped because its condition was not met, as our status value was set as pending. Let's change the status and see if our message is being sent. Refresh the page. Notice that the sent and delivered count has increased. Now let's check our WhatsApp if we have received the message. Thank you for choosing SMS9 powered by Cyberframe.